At a function held today, the Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH, in the presence of the MLA from Millim constituency, Hamletson Dorling, had officially released the publication of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra East Khasi Hills and also inaugurated its new building at Upper Shillong. While speaking at the function, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH informed that discussions have been going on with the Honourable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, SHRI Conrad K. Sangma, and other concerned officials on the proposed increase in the budget for the Agriculture Department, which he hopes would be approved in the coming months.
Kanlong sisa ka jingmen toy umday tang hapo is kasil mod na benta ka state jongi hibro kawai. So komen manong yepi kandai sisa ka jingmen toy na benta ki khon samla ki jongi. Na benta ki nong song snong ki jongi. Ki banang ki start ki sothu ya kani ka kam. Kanlong ki jingerap shika dai. Bagi ni ki bana ki bladap bagi ofisa ngilai song ngilai persang ban sna shu katu kan ni scheme. Ki bangin la ban kampen bon susu naga benta ban ajing rap yakin rap ki jongi handrai umdai tang ajing rap pat to bang akwa ban ong yepi ka ba kong santam naga benta ki rap ki jongi kadi ke jing hikai kadi training kata kadi ka don kam tam nga iba ka KVK ka long successful kadi ba bon sisa ki let chapo feel ban ajing hikai yakin rap ki jongi but what happening gini ki jinglong ki jingman ngawi pingi kam kardu ni biang ngidap nama day ka jing tresitom jong ki bring ki jongi ki semua tu bangi don kam sisa ya karep Riang to bangi nang la sisa ban pendak penbiang nama nong rap udai nong ai bam ingi ladam don nong rap ngini bam kum ngini yo bam kum no ini besutu bai kata.
In his speech, Meghalaya CNRD Minister Hamletson Dorling expressed his gratitude to farmers whom he addressed as food providers of the society and also to the office of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra that has been providing assistance to farmers in the region for the past 10 years.
Marbule bangi kwa iba kipa iba nurep jongi kinlang babet kibabiang kamtam pakam kejam kejongki pawa ka jela kejongi ki kuba parapo no sispa kibabun kipa iba kin magarep karya kilada kipa iba nurep ade kimbit kimbiang kahiar garep karya kejongki murbaniap yap pa iba ngatai baniap mengkong ngatai mangi besok sekretariat bagi nong terkam sarkar bar ketuap tu mana guna hini yo mo kepisah gendon ndai dom don ngrap te nyok pan nyok kubin nyok tersun nyok haun te ngasko ba kinong rap om tang makidai berlum bong roma mene ngaso ba kinong rap ni kidai kapiang ja jong upai ba jongi tigi sodon bok banlor ba ka department of agriculture kadon ke department of horticulture kadon uno banerap ban penyar ia ka kam kejam kejki bakitrei ndai dan bok ba kadon ke KVK.
Farming tools were also distributed to farmers present during the inaugural function of the KVK building at Upper Shillong. Those present on the occasion were the Director of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Srimati L. Kharkrang, Senior Scientist of KVK East Khasi Hills, Srimati B. Walang, Joint Director of Agriculture R&T, Srimati K. LYNGDOH, the Deputy Director of Agriculture, Srimati Yada Majau, besides others.